Guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. So guys, today I'm going to be making a special drink with the yellow rock melon and some oranges. So I am going to wash all my oranges, and I'm going to use one lime. I'm going to wash these also to put them in the fridge. So welcome everyone, welcome back to another video. For those who are here with me all along, thank you for staying with me on this journey. So this is the yellow rock melon, and we're gonna make a juice with this. So I'm gonna wash and come back and do make the juice. We in Jamaica we say do. So everything is nicely washed, and we are gonna cut. Wow, we're gonna cut our rock melon in half, which we just did. Look at that. Woohoo! So I think I left this pointed piece because I want to do a little decoration with it. So we're gonna go down and gonna just cut it just like that. And we're gonna use a small knife and take the seeds out. Ooh, and this looks nice and juicy. Ooh. So we're gonna peel it. And this rock melon, low blood pressure, and it is loaded with a lot of vitamin C and A, magnesium, you name it guys. I will list some of the benefits in the description. Please comment below and let me know if you like my juice, all the juices that I've done on this channel. As I said before, health is wealth, and it is so easy to peel. It looks really juicy. Let's try it. I'll tell you. Sweet as. So this is how we're gonna put it in the juicer. So we're gonna put them in the bowl. I tell you, the taste is in my mouth. It's so sweet. So we're gonna just quickly peel the skins off the orange. And this is a lovely summer drink that you can try. So you can use your orange peel and make a tea. So I'm gonna put those skin aside, and then we're gonna peel. Let me see how much oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 oranges. and this juice will be so nice. So you can leave a little bit of rind on it, because I see they're selling the orange powder, orange skin powder, which lower blood pressure. So do your research, guys. When I make my drink, there's no preservative in it, no sugar. Straight from the juice, from the fruit to the juicer. And trust me, nothing like a few pieces of ice added to it if you want to. Sometimes when the fruit is cool, I don't need to add any ice. A lot of people don't want to invest in a juicer, but you try and invest in a good one. You know, they have so many. Try and invest in one that the pulp, you don't have to go in too much to clean. It comes out, and then you just wash it up and store it. So that's why I'm using my Cuvin Auto 10. And guys, if you have any suggestion for any drink, although I try not to copy anyone, I try to come with my own. I try. Nothing like to come with something nice for your subscribers. Something they can try at home for their, you know, families. Wow, these oranges look so juicy and nice. Comment below and let me know if you like oranges and if you like the yellow rock melon. And we're gonna add just one lime to it. This will hydrate you. Oh, the sticker never come off, but I wash it, I didn't see it on it. This is lovely. And we're gonna leave just a little bit of rind on it. Not much, just a little. Yep, just that. So guys, let's get into the juicing. I've set up our area and we're gonna pop the lid open and we're gonna start putting our oranges in, lime. Oh, let me give you a look from the top. Let's see. Wow, all the oranges fit in. Look at that. So we can try and put it one piece of, oh my goodness, you see what's going on, guys? Everything. Alright, let's start our juicing now. Close the lid. So here we go. The yellow rock melon is good for hydration, immune boosting, vitamin C and eye health, and it promotes beta-carotene. It's also rich in potassium and fiber, As you can see, our mixing bowl is almost full and it's almost time for us to let everything go. Our first batch of juice. Wow. And we're going to go again. So now we're going to start. Second batch of juice. If you look from above, look at the and you can always get up on a hot summer day and make your drink. Even in the winter too, I need my juice because I love making natural juice. So our mixing bowl is full. I'm gonna let out our second batch of juice. Ooh, look at this. We have almost a full jug. And we're gonna go again. We're gonna switch. I'm gonna take this jug out because I have a spare jug and we are going to keep going. So now we're gonna pull the lid and let's see what we have left in there. Okay, so we're gonna pop our muskmelon in. And we're gonna close our lid and we're gonna start our juicing. And the rock melon is a low glycemic food. It does not typically cause spike in blood sugar. So the oranges are good for you. Some people don't want to put orange in their juice and they have like diabetic and all those things, but you can add water to it. Well, I don't have any diabetic. I just drink my juice straight and natural. So guys, I've decided to add a piece of mint from my backyard and a few pieces of carrot. Pop the mint in and the carrot. Something just come to my mind to add the carrot to it. Now we have added our carrots just to top up our juice, and this is going to be very refreshing. The milk that I add to it helps it bloating, and as you know, this color drink helps with your eyes also and much more. Let's have a look from above. Wow. Our mixing bowl is full. Now our mixing bowl is full and we're going to get straight into that. So I've mixed the juice so that we get carotene, both of them, and now we're gonna serve it. Wow, look at this. Look how lovely this is. Now remember I told you I want to make a little decoration. Okay, let's see what we can get with the end of this. I want to put it down so it's like a hat. It's like a little cap. Should I? Oh, this is lovely. Now I changed it to something else. So now we're gonna pop our straws in, and you know this is going to be the end of this video. I'm trying to find, oh yeah, just find 2 straws. So here you go, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with your friend.